Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to improve Epic Games Launcher download speed. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to click on the system tray, right click on the Epic Games and select exit. Now go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window you just need to type a percentage local update a percentage again. Click on OK to open up. Now you just need to find Epic Games Launcher folder, double click on it. Saved folder, right click on the web cache and delete it. Now go to config, double click on the Windows, double click on the engine.ini. Now you just need to check my video description for this text guys. Just copy the text and paste it in here in the engine.ini. Click on the file and select save. And now just close stuff here. Now just close stuff here and open up Epic Games Launcher. Select the profile icon. Select settings. Just need to scroll down. Check the box throttle downloads. In download 0 means ultimated. You just need to type 0 and just restart the Epic Games Launcher and you can try downloading your games again. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.